let's get started. So we're gonna jump right in with our eyes. That's what we're gonna do. I keep saying I'm gonna stop using like 45 palettes in my tutorials, and yet here I am. Super sorry. Okay, so I'm using 3 different palettes for this tutorial. My BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection palette in Gilded, my BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette, and my Too Faced Peach palette. So I'm going to be using a lot of peachy colors with some light blue, and that's what we're going to do. So I've already primed my lids and done my face makeup, obviously. So I'm going to go in with this peachy color down here, just as my transition shade. My eyebrows are horrendous. Truly. Also, sorry, you can probably hear my dog in the background. I don't know what to tell you, I have a dog and sometimes he's loud. This brush is just a really fluffy Pixi EO2 brush. I just want that to be really smoky and peachy, of which I think it is. And I'm just gonna kind of drag it down here too. I'm gonna add a darker color into this outer crease, but just get that base color so that it's not just skin. Okay, moving along. I have my peach palette, and I'm going to be using the color Summer Yum. It's just like a spiced orange color. And this is a Luxie 209 large shader brush. I feel like my breathing is so loud today. Okay, I'm not going to put any more of that color on because I don't want it to look like it's fall. I'm going to go back in with this fluffy brush, and this first color we used mixed with this mixed with this color. This peachy, yellowy type color. Just to add a little more brightness to that, but keeping the depth and tone. Okay, so now I'm going to put some shimmer in the inner corner, and I'm going to use this color here. It's just a pretty champagne-y color. I'm not going to cut crease because I don't want it to be sharp. I just want it to be like pretty and shimmery. I'm using just a flat Luxie 245 small shader brush. Love that. So now I'm gonna do something fun and pull out the Royal Affair palette, and I'm going to be using this light blue shade on my lower waterline. So we're gonna see how that turns out. I'm gonna prime it by using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in all the spots where I want this blue shadow to stick. I'm using this as like a sticky primer so that the color shows up a little bit more than if I just put a powder there. I believe this is in the shade Cottage Cheese. It is. Okay, so now we have the white. I'm going to use a really tiny flat brush. This is a Alemar Cosmetics brush, and I think I broke the number off, but it's just really small and square. I'm going to get that blue pressed into the tip. This is not exactly what I wanted because it looks less baby blue on my eye and more like sparkly with a purple reflect, which is not ideal because it kind of, instead of like contrasting with my orange prettily, this kind of looks a little bit strange. Eyeshadow in my eyeball. I don't feel like it changed the color of this liner to be like baby blue. I wanted that to be more blue. Okay, so I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm gonna tap into it in this brighter blue. And I'm hoping, because we've already kind of subdued that bottom, that it won't come across quite as bright. My inner corner highlight, I'm just going to use that same shape we used up on our lid. Just pop a little bit of that in the inner corner. Okay, so I hopped off camera to quickly do my lashes, and these are my velour lashes in Sunshine and Wispy. And now we're going to go ahead and pop on a peachy gloss to go with our other peachy vibes. And this is my Makeup Forever Artist Flexigloss. So perfect. In 102P. Alright guys, well, kind of was a rough getting here, a little bit, but we made it. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoy it and you learned something new and cool today, like test your colors out probably before you put them on your eyeball. But anyways, guys, I hope you have an awesome rest of your week or weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!